LaCroix.
Welcome back again. Already starting to see some of this cooler air move in. If you were a friend or if you like the 90s, we're not going to be having any of that anytime soon. Live look towards downtown Corvallis. Again, cool weather settling in overnight tonight. Again, high pressure it's been anchored across the northwest for the past week or so is slowly starting to weaken. And as that happens, this cold front right offshore is starting to move in. Behind that is not necessarily cold air, but it's going to be cooler air settling in overnight tonight and for the day tomorrow. Now, eventually temperatures will start to warm back, but it's not going to be nearly as high as what we've been experiencing over the past week. So for your Monday, quick look, high temperatures back up into the low 70s, 50s toward the coast. And the big story about tomorrow is, yes, we're going to wake up to cloud cover in the morning. By the afternoon, though, we should have mainly sunny skies, and there's only going to be a few clouds left inland. Out toward the coast, though, especially toward Coos Bay, we're going to hold on to that cloud cover just a little bit longer. And you can already see the cloud deck kind of starting to push in out toward the Oregon coast. I would expect a little bit of misty conditions along the 101 as early as tomorrow morning, and that's thanks to this strong marine push. Again, cold front offshore is kind of pushing all of that moisture right over the Pacific Ocean, right up against the coastline, and that is going to be the case tomorrow morning. But notice by the afternoon, we will start to break that up. Mainly sunny skies. I would expect a little bit of cloud cover still remaining, but notice toward the Oregon coast, we should manage to see a little bit more sunshine. That has not been the case the past couple of days as this cold front approaches. Now watch as we head towards Tuesday, much of the same, except mainly inland. Out toward the coast, a little bit clearer of a start. So the big story kind of moving forward is, yes, we're going to have morning clouds both on Monday, Tuesday. The afternoons are going to be sunny and the temperatures are going to be cooler. The other big story is, as this cloud cover moves in, we're expecting some pretty gusty winds right behind that. So you saw we're supposed to clear things out toward the coast tomorrow afternoon. Well, this is the reason why. We could have wind gusts near 30 miles per hour, so not a terrible wind, but it's definitely going to be breezy over the next couple of days as we see this cooler air move in. So again, replacing 90s, upper 80s with 70s over the next couple of days, and that continues the rest of the week. Notice the warmest we get is about 78 degrees, and even though the average high is around 68, this is quite seasonal for this time of year. Anytime this time of year, we usually get up to about 80 degrees, sometimes high temperatures back down into the 50s. So this is completely normal, and the reason why is we're kind of on a boundary between cold air to the north, warm air to the south. Here's Eugene. You can see right in between that boundary, and we remain there the rest of the week. Now notice high pressure builds briefly back in, and that's when we warm things up the middle part of the week. But watch as we head toward the second half of May. We start to get this troughing feature, and there is the chance that we could be seeing some showers, but that's going to be later in the month. At least for this 7-day forecast, you can see clear, dry conditions for the rest of the week. Windy conditions, though, both on Monday and Tuesday out toward the Oregon coast for the Roseburg area. 75 Monday afternoon, again, sunny skies. Wednesday, Thursday, a little bit of an uptick in temperatures, but then we cool things back off into the 70s. For the Cascades, 60s the rest of the week. Again, that continues all the way into the weekend. And Albert, we are expecting 70s this week, not 90s. So cooler weather on the way. And again, even though we're expecting cloud cover Monday and Tuesday, that's going to be in the morning, mainly sunny in the afternoon.
Looking forward to that 68 on Saturday.
I know, this whole week looks fantastic. I mean, after last week, it would get a little bit warm towards the end. So we'll take these 70s over the near 90 degrees.
Absolutely. Holden, thank you.
Yeah.
Oregon State baseball